Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this video we're going to be looking at the keyboard cover I've had for almost more than 3 years. Coming up this February, it will be 3 years of using this keyboard cover. After 3 years, it does have a yellowish tint to it, and typing on it has been a bit more mushy as well. So for that reason, I've gone ahead and purchased a new set. Here's the keyboard cover, and that's how it looks brand new. If we go for the original one, 3 years later, there's minor differences. Well, that does it with this video. If you guys have any questions on it, let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for future content, like the video if you did, and see you later. Bye guys.